In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Gantt chart in Smartsheet. We'll start right from the Smartsheet home screen, so go ahead and open Smartsheet in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left side of the screen. You should see a vertical sidebar that includes options like Home, Browse, and other workspace items. In that same sidebar, look for the option labeled Create with a plus sign. This is where you begin building any new item in Smartsheet, including your Gantt chart. Click on the Create button in the left sidebar. When you do this, Smartsheet will open a new panel or window that shows different ways to create content. This is typically where you'll see options for things like starting from a template, building a blank sheet, creating reports, and more. What we're interested in is specifically the Gantt view, which is designed to help you visualize tasks over time, track dependencies, and manage project progress. In this creation window, look for the option labeled Gantt. Depending on your version or layout, it might appear as a tile, a button, or a listed option. Take a moment to scan the available choices so you don't accidentally pick the wrong one, like a simple grid or a card view. Once you've located the Gantt option, click on it. By clicking Gantt, you're telling Smartsheet that you want to build a sheet that is optimized for project timelines. This means your new sheet will be structured in a way that makes it easier to add start dates, end dates, and see your schedule visually on the right-hand side as a Gantt chart. After selecting Gantt, Smartsheet may prompt you to name your new sheet and choose where to save it, such as in a specific workspace or folder. Give it a clear, descriptive name that makes sense for your project, so it's easy to find later. Then confirm or save. At this point, your new Gantt chart sheet will open, and you'll be ready to start entering tasks, dates, and other project details. From here, you can begin customizing the chart to match your workflow and project needs.